In today's lesson, we'll be talking about what is AI image generation, examples of AI generated images, and what makes a good image prompt. Now, let's start with what is AI image generation. AI image generation is the process of creating pictures using artificial intelligence from a text description called prompt. Instead of drawing with pencil, painting by hand, you simply tell AI what you want and it's going to create the image for you in seconds. AI image generation is like having a super smart artist who listens to your instruction and draw exactly what you describe. For example, let's go to our AI and type create an image of a white cat wearing glasses and riding a bicycle. Now let's send this and wait for it to allow it to generate our image for us. It's going to take few seconds and we are going to see our image. This is not a magic. This is what you will be doing as well. So you can see that it's exactly what I asked it to do. Exactly what your prompt say is what you are going to get. Which means the better your prompt, the better your image. Now let's look at example of AI generated images. The common one is realistic image, when you are seeing picture that really look like a real person, that looks like a human being. You can see it looks real. Another one is cartoon, that is giving that cartoon style. Yes, it is AI that creates all these pictures you are seeing right now. This one is superheroes. Yeah, you can see it is AI that created all these pictures in seconds. Another one, anime style, clay animation, 3D style, watercolor painting. The one that will even look like pencil sketch. Yes. There's another one, oil painting, fantasy style. Like, there are a lot. You can create animals, you can create different things. Just name it. You create. So, to create logo, you can use to create a book cover, fashion design, food image. Just keep mentioning it. Cars, motorcycles, dream house, birthday card, posters, flyer, a lot. A lot. AI can do a lot of things. But the only thing AI wants is you giving it a good prompt. If your prompt is good, definitely your image will be very, very good. And that will take us to what makes a good image prompt. What makes a good image prompt? The first one is subject. Who or what is in the picture? A young girl, a lion, a footballer, is it an old woman? The second one is action. What do you want the subject to do? Do you want the subject to dance? Do you want the subject to fly? Do you want the subject to smile? Do you want it to be reading a book? The action that you want the subject to be doing in the picture that you want to create. The third one is background. Where is the subject? Is he inside the class? Is he in a beautiful garden? Which space? Where? Is he in the market? Is he in the beach? It's very important to add it to your prompt so that AI can give you a very good image. The fourth one is style. How should the image look? Is it cartoon, realistic, anime, pencil sketch, watercolor painting, 3D? Put it in your prompt so that AI can give you a very good result. The fifth one is lightning. Morning sunlight, sunsets, golden hour, studio lightning. Let AI know the type of lightning you want on your image. And the sixth one is quality. Tell the AI the quality you want. Always add high quality, ultra ID. So your image will look very, very nice and professional. You can just short all this to SATS LQ. S is for subjects, A action, B, background, S, style, L, lightning, Q, quality. Do you understand it? So now let's go and practice this. Let's assume you just tell your AI to just create an image of a student. Just create an image of a student. Let's send it and allow it to generate our image for us. The quality of the image is even low, like, and AI even guessed to put our image in our student in a library. Can you see that? And you can see that this is not even a Nigerian girl. What if we want to create for a Nigerian lady? Like, you can see it's a guesswork. So let's now go and create like a professional. Like now, let's create like a professional. So I said, create an image of a young Nigerian girl standing in front of a school building. Our SAB is already okay. The subject, we have given it the subject, the action, standing, and the background, the school building. Now, continue. I'm not telling AI how I want it to look, the quality. I say I want a realistic photograph, morning sunlight, ultra HD, and high quality. Now, the SLQ, which is the style, the lightning, and the quality. You can see. So let's send it and see. We are now going to compare it with the first one, the one that will just say create a student. And now the image that is going to give us now, we're going to compare it so you can see the difference between them. It's generating our image now. Can you see the difference? Can you see the quality of the camera that snapped this? Can you see it? Can you compare it to the first one? Let me show you the first one again. Can you see the difference? See, this is the first one. Now look at the camera. Look at the second one. Can you see it? So your what brings the difference here is what you really have to know. SAB, SLU. Subject, action, background, style, lightning, quality. You have to go and learn that very well. That is very, very important. That is the only thing that will make your AI image look professional. Do you understand? So you have to go and learn it very well. The subject, practice it. Write different things. The subject, the action, and I'm going to see it. So you are going to submit it in the WhatsApp group. Make sure you prompt us the subject, the action, anything that you want to create, just write it down. So we are going to be creating it in our next class. Make sure you write everything down. If it is a superhero, everything that comes to your mind, just make sure you include the subject, the action, the background, style, lighting, and quality. Just make sure it is there. So submit it and we are going to create in the next class. I can't wait to see you. Bye. See you next time.